Today we will be learning about the properties of matter. Remember, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Let's consider physical properties. Physical property is any property of matter that can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the matter. Typically, physical properties are things you can detect with your senses, such as sight, smell, taste, touch, or hearing. Some physical properties, like size, mass, volume, length, and shape, depend on the amount of substance present. Others, like density, do not. Some examples of physical properties are color, solubility, taste, density, state or phase, odor, hardness, texture, melting point, boiling point, luster, conductivity, heat, and electricity. Chemical properties are properties that are measured and observed only during a chemical reaction, so only when you are changing the substance you have. Chemical properties show the potential of matter to go through some chemical changes or reactions. They can only be observed by changing the identity of the substance. For example, reactivity to water, radioactivity, the oxidation state, ability to rust, flammability, and toxicity. Physical changes occur when substances are not altered chemically. They're merely changed to another phase, or they could be separated or combined. Physical changes involve altering a substance, but the substance remains the same. It has the same identity. For example, freezing or cutting. On the other hand, chemical changes occur when substances are altered chemically. They display different physical and chemical properties after the change. For example, cooking. In this case, two substances interact to form a new substance. Now, whenever a reaction has occurred, we know that atoms from the substances that are present before the interaction must have been rearranged into new configurations or groups, resulting in the properties of new substances. So, new elements or compounds are formed. Now, try the 10 checkpoint questions and check your answers when you are done.